the primer bulb, I guess. Fuel's moving, but the fuel tank's not really that full. So maybe it's just a fuel delivery issue. Not sure. It was running for a while. So we'll see. It's moving. So it kind of wants to run. Why did it do that though? There it is. Got a lot of playing to do with it, but any questions, tips, what I should do? It's running a 50 to 1 mix. It's like I don't know, weed whacker stuff, but I don't know, my tubes are too long. Look at them, they go all the way down here. They just get stuck. There's no gravity fed, and it just, well, it's getting solid fuel right there. And then, I don't know if my vacuum line's got a lot of leaks or what, but as far as I know, that usually means the carb is dirty, I think. But when you try to give it gas and nothing happens, the injectors aren't spraying. So I'll probably take the carb off, clean the carb, but it sounded pretty good, so pretty happy. Alright, let me know if you have any questions, or let me know what I could do to make it better, or what. That's about it. Brake line, I figure I'd step on it if I need to. Not really good with hooking up these brake lines and throttle. It's all wrapped up here because the end was all frayed, and that's just a big pain in the ass. I really don't like brake and throttle cables. They hurt your fingers when you try to cut them. Little piece of metal. Look at that shit. These things just poke you all day long. But at least I got it running. I just really want to ride it, you know. I don't know what else I need to do besides get a muffler or something. Alright, that's it. I'm about done. I'm done for the night. And maybe I'll be back out here playing with it, but let me know what I should do besides, you know, the obvious junk it or whatever. But there we go. That's that. Fuel, fuel line, fuel returned. Huge long. I probably could have cut this down to like taking off so much. Fuel just gets turned, and maybe I need to put the fuel thing real low, like down here, so it just, and lay it like that, so it just sucks up right here to here. I could put the fuel tank right here. Maybe I could do that and just put it through that bolt. Just kind of hang it right here. What do you think? Let me know. What should I do? I'm not the expert, but I'm happy about that. Alright, I'm still playing with it. Alright, let me know. Thanks. Is this too loose? Not too loose, is it? Alright, having fun though. See you later.